Hello guys, welcome to our channel Technical Discovery. Today I am going to show you how to block other user from your Wi-Fi by using PC. It is very easy and interesting. So just follow all the steps and don't miss any of the steps. So let's start. First of all, we have to download a website called Netcut. Go to your website. Click right download Netcut. I have written, click that. Click on first netcutairguide.com. See, the website has opened. Here download Netcut. Click on it. If you are using Windows 7 64-bit, then you can click in this. Or if you are using Windows 7, 8 or 10, I am using Windows 10, so I will click in this. It is downloading. I will cancel it because I have already downloaded it. Cancel. Now you have to install it from your download file. I had already installed it. Now you have to click on it. See, this website is open, and see, this is gel icon. Which user you have to block? Click on it. Just like see. See, this blue icon means it is not blocked. If you want to slow the user, then click here or here or here, and lastly block, then click here or directly click here. It is blocked. If you want to block any user, then click here. I will block all the users. Now you have to see. Click all block button. In this type you can block the user which is using your Wi-Fi. See, I had blocked all the user. You can also block like this type. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like and comment in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.